Arthur Arfont had a way with cars and a need for speed.
What
Arthur,
are you guys doing?
better known as Art, with long years.
And I thought I was going to go all the way through Pennsylvania and not get one clip. Of course, I'm like 2 minutes from the border, and I get one.
Which I'm sure if there was existence when that was created, those would have been placed in, aside from some of the ones that are in there now, because I think that they're a little bit harder than a couple of them. And in high school, I was an athlete.
No.
And, going to college, I kind of stopped being athletic and active, and now it's just because you're using your entire body.
What the fuck?
It's a whole mile long.
Hey, I would like to have my back bumper intact.
Street obstacle course. It's a whole mile long.
Hey, I would like to have my back bumper intact.
Street obstacle course. So that's tough. So not many people do that in the wintertime. Very, very few people have even attempted to
What's up with people?
The whole thing in the winter. So last winter we tried it. It was like a week before Christmas. Actually, it was the first. It couldn't have been a week before Christmas. It was December 21st. So
pass fail.
I think it was right before Christmas Eve. Yeah, it was right before Christmas Eve, and we were going to try to do Mahwah. Well, we got up to the top full spec, which is the first mountain if you go north to south.
What are the differences between them?
Does not move over, does not move over. And I'm giving this guy plenty of space. Does he move over? No, because fuck emergency vehicles. What do we need them for?
Sometimes you're on 6, 9, 12 different summits in a day. How long do you
What the fuck? Stay in your own lane, please. Thank you.
I guess it depends.
Be able to find you if something goes wrong. So, good call on that. Regardless.
Nope.
No matter what happens, yeah. No matter how good you are. A local, I guess, inside.
No trucks on the parkway. No. You cannot be there. What the hell you doing on here? No trucks on the parkway. No. You are dumb for being here. Nope. Man, you gotta go like at least 3 miles without merging. This is crazy. Nope. Nope. Uh-oh. Someone's doing an exit dive. And cut off an ambulance while you're at it too. Good job. Come on, make it easier for me to hit. It got past me already. No trucks on the parkway. No, you cannot be there. This is the parkway. This is FedEx. You're a big company. You should know better. No, you can't be here. What are you doing? Stop it! And oh look, an exit dive up there. And oh look, another exit dive, because we can only big huge signs saying the Route 1's coming up for the last 2 miles. They're hard to miss. Exit dive. Hey, I would love to have a back bumper. What the hell are you doing over there? Hey, why would you do that if you're exiting anyways? Seriously. What the? Figure out where you have to be. Oh, look at those douchebags going up the shoulder. Ah, this is a first. Having an aerial view of bad driving. Douchebags. What the hell are you doing back there? Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. No, you stop that. Move back in. Fuck you, asshole, douchebag. Pick a lane and stick with it. No matter what you try, we're not going to get to where you're going any faster. Douchebag up there. That's exit only. Nope. I think I'm supposed to turn left here. Oops.
You done messed up.
Sorry, I'm from out of town. Even though I lived here for the first 8 years of my life. Come on. Come on. You can do it. I know making left turns is kind of weird for us New Jerseyans, but it's, you know, what we do. You can do that. Which way are you going for? Really? Red light, run. Right, that was a turn, right, left turn from the right lane. Idiot. Oh, straight from right turn lane up there. Left turn lane dive. Happy day. Happy day, happy day, happy day. Happy to be in Jersey. Happy day, happy day. Red light, run. Put Armstrong in. It wasn't green yet. Red light, run. Left turn from straight lane all the way to the right there. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it. You're doing it all wrong.
And whatever we're contending with today, it's just hard to see it and feel it that way.
What the fuck?
You know, we don't live for 200 years, right?
No, of course.
Whatever we do.
What the hell? Oh, what the hell are
we don't
people
have
doing?
The longest of views on which to analyze
What
this.
the fuck?
What hope do you bring? I mean, I'm almost in tears hearing every place the longest of views on which to analyze
what
this.
The fuck?
What hope do you bring?
Yeah, this is the dumbest video idea I've ever had in my life. Traveled like an extra half hour out of the way just to make one stupid video clip. I'm actually disappointed by this Rose price here at Job Lot. It's $8.99 here. It's cheaper at Wegmans. I don't know, they're losing their touch.